Hi, I am Anna, a powerful American voice in Murf. People say, my voice stands for...
That's Anna.
I'm Ava, the most versatile American voice in Murf. I can do voice...
That's Ava.
Hi, I'm Nate. I'm one of the friendly and relatable American voices.
Hi, this is Carolyn. I am among the most mature American...
So these are basically some of the best voices, like automatic voiceovers that you can use to convert your text into audio. Like they sound so human, it's insane. I've never encountered such a text-to-speech software. Again, I've tried a lot of them.
Hey, I am John. I am among the mature American voices in Murf's too.
What's up, guys? How's it going? It's been a long time. Today I want to cover a platform or an online tool that will help you, or some of you, really make money online without using your voice or showing your face. And I'm going to show you the step-by-step process of using a text-to-speech software that I will cover later on to create either podcast, meaning creating audio that will be used for podcasts, or creating a YouTube channel, or maybe selling even that audio on different platforms, meaning literally making money at scale without using your voice or showing your face. Before starting, let me show you an example. If you look at this channel, right? This channel, Updude Studios, it has 404,000 subscribers. It literally uses what we call a text-to-speech software, and literally it means you write, there's a bunch of text, for example like this one, you convert that into an audio, you put some video on top of it or some images, you upload them on different platforms like YouTube, and you make money.
As crap don't know what a snickerdoodle frappuccino is, as it is not a menu item.
Do you hear how bad it sounds? But still, that channel has 404,000 subscribers. And if I check the statistic on Social Blade of how much this channel is making per month, it is about $1,000 to about $16,000 per month, and about $12,000 to $200,000 per year. Imagine, crazy, just by uploading text-to-speech software. And I am going to show you something revolutionary. It's a platform called Murf. I want you to click on the link down below. The link is going to be available down below. There's the pro version that I'm using. But essentially, this is one of the best, if not the best, text-to-speech platform that I've found out there. And I'm going to show you step by step how I'm going to take one of my article, or how I'm going to write an article using Writer quickly, convert that into an audio, upload that into a platform like Anchor, which can be used to create free podcasts, or create a video that can be uploaded on YouTube. All those tips, I cannot do it by myself because I'm already busy doing a lot of other things. So when I show you something, it works, but it does not necessarily mean that I am trying it. I just want to show you all the potential ways to make money out there. Now, let's talk about Murf. If I go on their homepage, literally this, when you click on the link down below, you might land here. Voice that amplify your content. Go from text to speech with a versatile AI voice generator. If you scroll down, and these are all the voices that you can test out. Let me just play 2 or 3 of them. You will hear how they sound compared to how this video sounded. If you're a business, or you're an educator, or you're a marketer, or you're an author, or you're a corporate coach, a podcaster, an animator, a customer support, you can literally create all the voices or content you need using these voices. You don't need to pay someone else to do a voiceover anymore.
As a marketer, I am constantly on the lookout for quick and powerful ways to connect with our customers. Be it a presentation, ad, or a promo.
That's for a marketer.
Animation is an expensive and an elaborate process. And finding voices that suit your characters can be an even more
Now, podcaster.
The best way to build a loyal following is to captivate your audience.
As a podcaster, one of the best ways to achieve this is by creating a consistent audio avatar.
Customers are the essence of any business. And as a customer support professional, I am always seeking ways to converse with our customers.
To me, they sound really human. I don't want to waste your time because we're already a few minutes in this video. The pricing option before I show you how to use it. You have the free version, which is about $0 per month. You can try all 100 voices, but you only have 10 minutes of voice generation, which is not a lot, honestly. If the basic plan, you can switch from monthly to yearly, but I suggest you use the yearly plan. The yearly plan has the unlimited download. You have only 24 hours that you can generate a voice per year. You have about 60 voices that you can access to, 10 languages, meaning it can be in French, German, Spanish, Portuguese. All those languages are there. You can use that to sell content for commercial usage. And for the $26, which is what I have, which is about $312 per year, you can actually have unlimited download, 96 hours of voice generation per year, 48 hours of transcription, access to about 120 voices, 19 languages, commercial right usage. You can edit even the voice that the thing will record. You can change the voice. You have up to 3 people that can use under this plan, and you also have priority support. Now you also have the enterprise one for like bigger teams and stuff like that. So I would suggest, if you want to upgrade, click on upgrade for this one. Go with the yearly version and continue, buy it. After you buy it, you will receive your information. Now I want you to log in. If you open the studio, this is how the studio will look like. Again, very simple, very simple. On the left hand side, you have my project, which is going to be the list of all your project where you can create a workspace, but you also have template. Let me show you some of the template that they have here. If, for example, again, like I said, on top of the video, you can also create some, on top of the voice or text-to-speech audio, you can also create video. Here is an example of like a shoe promo that converted a text from like text-to-speech or audio and also added a video on top of it.
Fitness is a journey, and all of us could use a companion. Fit and Fab keeps you company and makes you more regular with your workouts. It keeps a close watch on your heart rates too. Whether you like running, swimming, or...
This is literally a great video for like a Facebook ad, for example. If you're a fitness company, you can literally come here, write your text, create your audio, and put a video on top of it, and boom, you have a Facebook ad, like literally. Now, let's go ahead. You can try to customize, for example, this template. If you're a home delivery app, you can customize this template. Or I don't know, social media trend. There are so many things that you can do here, but let's go ahead and start creating something from scratch. I'm just going to create a new project, or I think you can create a project or a workspace. I think workspace, you can name your workspace, for example, let's say podcast. I want to create a podcast workspace, and I think under the podcast workspace, so again, look at what I'm saying. You have workspace and where you can create project. So I can create multiple workspaces where, for example, I can say this is for podcast and these other ones are for YouTube and these other ones are for ads, you know, like Facebook ads or YouTube ads. And within, for example, each, I can now come here on the podcast and say I want to create a new project. And it's going to be, for example, again, if I've written a blog post like this one, I'm just going to convert this blog post into an audio. This is one of my blog posts. But even if you don't have content and you want to create content for your podcast or for your YouTube channel on the topic that you have, you can use a platform like Writer, which I already covered on my channel. I'm going to put the link of that video down below, but I'm just going to click, for example, and come here and start for example, this is already a quick text. If I want to create a video about fascinating fact about dog, this is a quick article that I created using Writer, but I can also even use my own article that I already created and convert them into audio, upload them on Spotify. That's what I'm going to do. Upload images or video to start creating voiceovers. I will upload later. This is the title right here. And I'm going to add my text right here. I can add another block. Suppose I actually uploaded, like I already put all my text here. There are multiple things that you can do. Number one, you can select the person.
Hi.
You can select the person that is going to talk, right? So right now it's
Hi,
Anna.
I'm Anna, a powerful American voice in Murf. People say, my voice stands for...
That's Anna.
I'm Ava, the most versatile American voice in Murf. I can do voice.
That's Ava.
Hi, I'm Nate. I'm one of the friendly and relatable American voices.
Hi, this is Carolyn. I am among the most mature American.
So these are basically some of the best voices, like automatic voiceovers that you can use to convert your text into audio. Like they sound so human, it's insane. I've never encountered such a text-to-speech software. Again, I've tried a lot of them.
Hey, I am John. I am among the mature American voices in Murf Studio.
So I'm just going to try Ava. I think I like Ava, right? So I'm going to, you see how it changed the person, the name of the person. You can, the tonality, you can make her sound cheerful or chatty or like customer service or empathetic or just general. Now you can change her speed, like she can go slower or faster or just normal. Like that, the pitch. Now here you change the speed for faster, lower or normal. The volume, if it's up or down. Emphasis, like if the paragraph is too long, like for example here I think one of my paragraph is too long, I need to split that into multiple pieces. But the emphasis, for example, you can actually like try to work around the emphasis so that the voice emphasizes on some things. And like you can add a pause, like weak pause, like to not spend too long like pausing, or to have an extra strong pause, like maybe 1.2 seconds like after every sentence or punctuation, or maybe no pause, like it's really up to you. Now once I'm just going to test for example like one line. You can convert either each line or you can convert a text block. So this is an entire text block. If I click on here, it's going to convert the entire block, but if I click on here, it's just going to convert that specific line. So let me try and convert that specific line, or just the block. It converted the whole thing, but it also added that audio down here. So it has an audio editor down here that you can come and add down here. And let me just play the text block so you actually hear how she sounds.
Writing a unique article is not a simple task. First, you have to read the topic properly from different resources and understand its meanings. After that, generating a new text exclusively is another challenge. Writers mostly face this issue of writing on the same topic repeatedly. Sometimes, they get puzzled because writing unique lines every time is a challenging task. To get out of this hurdle and save time, most people prefer to use online paraphrasers that can be helpful to change the structure of the article.
Okay, so I don't want to keep generating for all of these, but I just hear how she sounds. Isn't that, I don't know. Let me not get too hyped. But what you can do is that you can actually build the audio block for download.
A few moments later.
So that's the audio that I already downloaded. I can just come down here on Anchor, which is easy and free to create a podcast. And this is a free like podcast that I just created. There's no episode there. And come here on the new episode, drag that audio here and actually start having my first audio or podcast. Like, it's super simple. Again, now I can just click on save episode, write a little text on it, and okay, so
Writing a unique article is not a simple task.
that's the audio, right? If I click on save, for example, I can now say episode 1, 5 reasons blah 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 to write blah blah blah, and I'm gonna just copy the same text that I already copied just at the bottom of the podcast, like description, and publish that now or schedule that for tomorrow and click on confirm at a specific time, for example at 8 a.m. right, 1 p.m. And then you can even add a poll to ask people like, was this helpful? Like yes, no, add an option, this sucks, and then publish poll. You can also add a question, for example, on your podcast, which city are you listening from? Like publish the question, season 1, episode 1. That's your podcast. If I click on schedule episode, that's my first episode that's scheduled out here. Again, it's going to be published on Spotify, Apple Podcasts, blah blah blah, all the podcast listening platform. You can do the same thing. You can create content here, for example, using Writer. Copy that, go on Murf and create your content as you want. Now, suppose I have generated, I'm just gonna, for example, click on here as well and generate the second block text, right, to make a complete audio. This, you see that as soon as I did that again, it actually added on the second part here. Click on build block for audio and download as well. Let me just try, for example, so that she sounds newscast formal, like, or maybe narration professional. And let me just generate content here. All right, let me try to.
Online tools use fast algorithms to make their workflow fast. Users can get instant responses from these tools.
So the narration, if it's like a chat, you're going to get something different. If it's like a professional, you're going to get something different as well.
Online tools use fast algorithms to make their workflow fast. Users can get instant responses from these tools and get a unique text in no time.
See how the tonality changed? Like, it completely changed. And like, you can play around with these things, like literally. And you have the script here where you can upload the script, actually upload that here and browse in like a text or docx format or SRT, and you can it's going to actually upload that down here. You can simply one click convert that into audio, download it, put it on your podcast. And here, soundtrack, you can upload a soundtrack, for example, which would make like the audio and the sound will be nicer. Or you can even import an audio from YouTube. So suppose I go on YouTube, for example, and I come here, I click on Creative Commons, which is usually for Creative Commons. I want to get, for example, this one. I'm just going to copy that link and I'm going to go back to Murf, right? I'm going to paste that audio and I'm going to import. It's literally going to convert that YouTube audio, right? That YouTube video into an audio, and it's going to upload that on the editor like timeline. You will see how it works. See how we uploaded that directly on the editor timeline. But you can also upload your own soundtrack. You can search from a gallery. They also have a gallery, for example, for cheerful, inspirational, hopeful. Like you can select like any of those texts and actually add that to the project. Like if you want something piano, if you want something upbeat, funny, meditative, they have all of it. Like literally, like you can add that to your project. And after, suppose you're done, right? Like you have your text, you've created everything. Suppose now you want to create like a video for YouTube. This is where I really like this platform, because some other tools only like convert your audio, like your text, into speech, but don't necessarily have the option to like create videos. Like I showed you here, like it has option to create literally videos as well. Like for example,
to She the Power.
So I can simply come here under like this image part and click on plus, and it says upload one or more video clip of MP4 format. Two things that you can do is that you can go on YouTube and actually search for example, business, because my topic is about like business stuff, right? I can go on YouTube and type business clip free and just click here on Creative Commons. And this is like a free business clip, for example, or like this one is free as well. This one is free as well. Suppose I want this one, right? It's a free clip. I'm just gonna copy that, right? And go download that. Go on YouTube, on Google, download YouTube videos. I already downloaded, right? I'm just gonna go back to Murf, and I'm now going to come here and see how we added that clip down below. Now what you have, you see how the thing is building here. I can now play the whole thing.
Writing a unique article is not a simple task. First, you have to read the topic properly from different resources and understand its meanings. After that, generating a new text exclusively is another challenge. Writers mostly face this issue of writing on the same topic repeatedly.
Guess what? I can do that over and over again. I have my video now that I can go and upload on YouTube as well. I'm gonna render the entire video, right? Quick render for like quickly, HD render for like high quality render. So I'm just gonna go with HD render. Open that.
Writing a unique article is not a simple task. First, you have to read the topic properly from different resources and understand its meanings. After that, generating a new text exclusively is another challenge. Writers mostly face this issue of writing on the same topic repeatedly.
Perfect. Guess what you have? You have a video and you have an audio. Like, I can now go on literally Anchor, blah, 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 and go and just upload this video. It's going to extract the audio from video, and now you have the audio right there. Boom, you can upload that. And I can go on YouTube, right, on one of my other channel, and simply click on here, create upload video, drag that video that I just created with Murf, and guess what? I have a video for YouTube channel. I did not put my voice. No. I did not have to create the text. No, I used the tool, or I used my blog post, and I did not have to show my face to create a YouTube video. You're not going to give me any BS reason as to why you're not a content creator today. There are literally thousands of tools that are out there that can help you, and I keep showing you them over and over again. Whether it's, again, your video is there, I can simply go here, copy my same blog post, now go put that at the bottom of the YouTube channel and upload a thumbnail. Like if I want to upload the thumbnail, I put a thumbnail. If I don't want to, I just select like whatever and I click on next. I can do that 10 videos a day, just 10 videos a day like that. I'm not using that right now because I just don't have time. But if you have time on your hands, there's no reason why you should not like be a content creator. Like a lot of you guys are on YouTube to consume content from other people, but you have knowledge, right? You have knowledge that you can use to actually like empower other people. Write text. If you're just good at text writing, write text and convert them into audio, put them into either, if you don't want to start a blog, which is hard today to grow, you can actually use platform like Anchor to create a podcast, which is super easy to grow today. I've already covered a video on my channel on how to start a podcast. The link is going to be down below. You can start a YouTube channel where you have a lot of free videos. Like, for example, I showed you how I used YouTube, like, for example, to find these free, let me just go back, like these free stock video. It's the same way I can go on a platform like Pixabay, right? Search images, vector, video, and music. So if I say here, for example, I want a video, I can just come here on the video and search for business and click enter. It's going to show me a lot of business videos. These are all the business videos that if I have a text that I already converted into audio, I have all these free, these are free videos that you can download and do whatever you want with that. I can download these videos and literally just create content, add an audio on top of it, put that on my YouTube channel, and that's it. Like, okay, seriously, you're going to tell me that you don't have like time to do what I am showing you? If you have time, like, come on, I know you can do it, guys. But there are a lot of other platforms, like a lot of them, right? So I want you to start now, like take action, right? It can be a podcast, it can be like I showed you on this map, it can be podcasting, it can be YouTube channel, it can be selling, you can even create those audios and actually sell them to other people. Course selling platforms, like the 10 best course or 17 best online course platform, like this one, for example, from this guy. Like you have Thinkify, LearnWord, Kajabi, Teachable, Podia, Learn-Ruzuku, like all of them. Like there are a lot of them on Google that you can use. 19 how to sell courses online. You can go and upload video courses, online courses. Literally, the sky is the limit with these things. Again, click on the link down below to go and access Murf, one of the best text-to-speech platform that I've encountered out there. And I'm using the pro version. Again, the pro version, I'm using the $312 per year version, which is the pro plan. And simply you just pay with your information, you subscribe, you click on save my info, you subscribe, and boom, you can start using their tool. Check them out, click on the link down below. Again, make sure you check my channel, Freetrepreneur. There are so many things that I cover. I have more than 100 videos where I've reviewed different tools, platform. I show you tips on how to improve your blog, how to create online business, how to start Facebook ad, blogging, SEO, e-commerce, a lot of different things. I'm just passionate about sharing my knowledge or things that I learned with you guys. And I want you to succeed. Now, take action. Until next time, take good care of yourself. I love you guys. Peace.
And don't forget to smash like and subscribe. Thank you.